Assalamu alaikum dear friends, welcome back to my channel Dr. Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful bellflower keychains. These flowers are very beautiful. You can make in one color and in multicolor as well. It's very simple to make. So let's start without wasting time how to make these beautiful flowers. First of all, we need a crochet hook. Today I'm going to use 3mm crochet hook and a double ply yarn. Just make a magic ring and chain 1. Now I'm going to make 10 chains, single crochets in this magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Here I have made 10 single crochets in this magic ring. Now pull the yarn to make it tight and insert hook in the first stitch and make a slip stitch to join. Now chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in each of the chains. And join with slip stitch to the top of the first stitch. Now you can see it looks like this. Now I'm going to make chain 1 and 1 single crochet in each of the stitches for next 3 rows. You can see I have completed these 4 rows, total number of 5. Now chain 1 and make half double crochet in next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here I have made 5 half double crochets in same stitch. And again 1 slip stitch in the next stitch, and then 5 half double crochets in next stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1 slip stitch in the next stitch. As you can see, it looks like petal. So continue working. Make 5 half double crochets in next stitch. And 1 slip stitch in the next stitch. Now I have completed these 5 petals. It's time to join the slip stitch to the first stitch. Now it's done. As you can see, how does it look? It's look like a bottle, or you can see this is a bell flower. Now cut off the yarn. Now I'm going to make the inner part of the flower, so make a magic ring and chain 1. Now I'm going to make 10 single crochets in this magic ring. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Pull the yarn to make it tight. Insert hook in the first stitch and make a slip stitch. Cut the yarn. Now, as you can see, it's done. Just like this. Place it inside the flower. See how it's simple, very easy and simple. Now I'm going to attach these leaves and stems with this flower. So now for making this look, I'm going to chain 50. I have made 50 chains for making this loop. Cut off the yarn and insert hook from this main hole and attach it with this knot. Make a knot to tie it. Made another flower to attach this on opposite side. I have made these two flowers on both ends. Now it looks like this. Now I'm going to make leaves. So chain 7, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Insert hook in the third chain and 1 single crochet. Then make 1 half double crochet in next stitch and then 1 double crochet in the fourth stitch and again half double crochet in next stitch and 1 single crochet in the last stitch. It looks like this. Now turn around, insert hook in the last stitch and make a slip stitch, chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in the last stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the third stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch and again 1 single crochet in the next stitch and more single crochet in the last stitch, chain 1 and join with the slip stitch in the first stitch. Now make slip stitch in this center line of the sleeve. Like this. Now I'm going to again chain 3 and then again chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Insert hook in the third chain and make a single crochet, then make 1 half double crochet in the next stitch and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet in other one, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and again 1 single crochet and turn to the next side. Make 1 more single crochet in the next stitch, and again 1 single crochet in next stitch, 1 half double crochet in the other one, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, and again 1 single crochet in the first stitch, chain 1 and join with the first stitch. I hope it's easy for you. Now again make slip stitch in the center line of this leaf. Now again chain 3 and insert hook in this first stitch of this loop. Cut off the yarn, pull the yarn from the back of this leaf. Now here we have a loop in this, between these 2 leaves. Make a knot. I'm going to insert these leaves from this hook. It looks like this. You can see it's very simple and easy. You can make these bellflowers very easily yourself, and this looks very nice when we attach them with our handbags. Let me show you. How does it look? It looks very beautiful. I hope you like my video, so stay tuned, keep watching. Goodbye, have a nice day.